India reported 34,666 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 79,76,992. The country's death toll has mounted to 1,42,222. With 18,64,343 cases, Maharashtra has the highest number of coronavirus cases, followed by Karnataka with 8,97,801, Andhra Pradesh with 8,73,995, Tamil Nadu with 7,95,240, and Kerala with 6,54,041. Manipur Department of Education as and Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM today launched School Fagat Hansi mission at Tampasna Girls Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Singh, Education Minister S. Rajen Singh, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, Kaisamthong Constituency MLA L. Jayanta Kumar Singh and Sagolman Constituency MLA R.K. Imo Singh were present at the event. Kumbi College Students Union today carried out a cleanliness drive along the road stretch from Kumbi Thongja to Kumbi Primary Health Center. The Bharatiya Kisan Union BKU has moved Supreme Court challenging the three farm reform laws passed by the parliament recently that are now at the center of the massive protests. The farmers have also planned to intensify the agitation over the next few days, in which they have planned to block highways leading to Delhi, Gherao BJP leaders and officers, and bring out another Delhi Chalo march on December 14, a media report said. A US government advisory panel has recommended emergency approval of the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine, underlining that the shot's potential benefits outweigh its risks. The endorsement has come at a time when the pandemic crisis has pushed medical centers in the US to the breaking point. A team of Imphal West Commando arrested a drug smuggler from Langthabal, Puramakong in Imphal West. Saimintang Haukip, aged 21 years, son of Daujangam Haukip, is a resident of Samusang Simol village within Senapati District, police said. The team recovered 35 soap cases suspected to be brown sugar weighing around 378 grams from the oil tank of his vehicle. Assam senior advocate Nekibur Zaman has blamed Union Home Minister Amit Shah for the allegations of foreign funding having terror links labelled by NGO Legal Rights Observatory against Ajmal Foundation. Dispute Police have registered a case against Ajmal Foundation, the charity organization headed by Lok Sabha MP Maulana Braduddin Ajmal, after an FIR was lodged by Assam's Hindu right-wing leader Satyaranjan Bora.